We're going to check out the progress on the new Jerome County Shoshone Falls Overlook. Looks like they've got a nice sign put up here. The road's been laid in. The road is nice and wide. Looks like we have a building that might be an entry check station or something. Off toward the canyon, looks like sidewalks are being poured for the viewpoint. Here's some interpretive signs and what looks like it's going to be a concession stand of some sort. And a nice parking area. We'll go check out the viewpoint area. Here we have a trail that appears to lead from the concession area to the viewpoint. We'll check it out. Here we have some nice sitting benches that mimic the shape of the Perrine Bridge. That's pretty neat. Looks like you'll be able to drive down here. Possibly a handicap access to load and unload, I don't know. Looks like the concrete sidewalk to the viewpoint has been poured. So they've got this area taped off. I'm not going to go up there. It does look like the concrete's dry. It looks like most of the concrete work is done. I'm assuming ahead of me there is the actual viewing platform. Obviously there's a lot of handrail work to do and safety features, but it's coming along. Standing here on the rim adjacent to the viewing platform. So this is the view you'll generally see from here. It's very beautiful. See the Shoshone Falls Park across the canyon there. The boat ramp area and the reservoir. There's a little extra water coming down the river right now, well, at least relative to what's been coming down this summer. So we've got a little extra additional water over there on the right-hand side of the falls. It's a spectacular view. Well, that'll wind up our check on the progress of the viewpoint construction. Thanks for watching.